Hi friends, welcome back to Circle Time. It's time for our daily message. Our daily message tells us what we're learning about today. Let's read today's message. There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Okay, now let's read it together. I'll read and you can repeat. There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Excellent work, friends. You read today's message. Today, instead of being letter detectives, we are going to count the number of words that are in our message. Remember, words are a group of letters that are put together in a certain way to make a special word, to have meaning. Okay, each word in our message is divided by a space. So whenever we see a space, that means one word is ending and a new word is going to start. Are you ready to count today's words? Perfect. Let me get my pointer and a marker. Let's start at the top on the left. We're going to underline until we get to a space. When we get to the space, that means the word is over. Ready? We'll start right here. We're going to underline all the letters that are grouped together. Once we get to a space, we know that the word is over. Here is a space. That means this is one word. Let's underline the one word. There we go. Okay, now after the space, there are more letters. So we're underlining that group of letters until we get to the next space. Underlining until we get to the big space. Oh, here's another big space. So that means this is another word. Let's underline the next word. We'll underline it with our pointer until we get to a space. Here's a space. So that's the end of this word. Perfect. Okay, now we need to go down one line and back to the left. We'll underline until we get to a space. That tells us the word is over. Oh, here is a space. That means the word is over. Here is another word. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Starts right here. We underline until we get to a space. Here's a space. That means this is another word. Great. Okay, let's go to the next word. Underline until we get to a space. Here is a word. No more words on this line, so we need to go down one line and back to the left. We underline until we get to the big space. Oh, that's the end of this word because this is a space. There's nothing there. So, this is another word. Perfect. Okay, let's keep going. This is the beginning of our word. The end is where we see the big space. Oh, here's a space. That means the word is over. Okay, let's go to the next word. We underline until we get to a space. Oh, there's no more after it. There's a big space. So this is another word. This is our period. That means our sentence is over. Okay, let's see how many words we've underlined. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 words in our message today. Hey, that's the number we're learning this week, the number 9. That's cool. We have 9 words in our message and we're learning about the number 9. Okay, now that we've counted the words in our message, it's time to read our message one more time and then we'll talk about what it means. Ready? There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Our message shows that we are talking about planets today. There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Let's take a look at the 8 planets in our solar system that orbit around the sun. Did you enjoy that little video? Awesome. Our word of the day, or one of our words of the day, is planets. We just saw 8 planets orbiting around the sun. The 8 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's put the word planets on our word wall. There we go. Our message also tells us that the planets orbit around the sun. That's our second word of the day, orbit. Orbit means to go around. The planets go around the sun. They travel at different speeds, and some of them have a much longer route to go around the sun, and some of them go around the sun a little quicker. The planet Earth takes 1 year to go all the way around the sun. And the planet Earth is in the perfect spot. It's not too close to the sun, and it's not too far. If the planet Earth was closer to the sun, the planet Earth would get too hot and we wouldn't be able to survive. Or if it would move further away from the sun, it would get too cold and we wouldn't be able to survive. So the planet Earth is in the perfect spot. It orbits in the perfect place around the sun. Here is the Earth and here's the sun. And we see other planets that go around the sun. Okay, let's put this on our word wall. Okay, today we are going to do a number activity with the planets. Each planet is in a separate orbit. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury, so we'll say it's first. The second to closest planet to the sun is Venus, so we'll give it a number 2. And what we'll do is I'll show you different planets and I'll show you the number, and then we have to put that many planets in the box. Okay, let's get started. This is the planet Earth. It's the planet we live on. It's the third to closest planet to the sun. So we're going to put 3 Earths in the box. Can you help me? Let's put 3 Earths in the box. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We put 3 Earths in the box because the planet Earth is the third closest planet to the sun. Okay, let's look at another planet. This is Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet. So we're going to put 6 Saturns in the box. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job, friends. You put 6 Saturns in the box. Saturn is the 6th planet. Okay, let's take a look at another planet. This is Venus. Venus is the 2nd planet. So we're going to put 2 Venuses in the box. Ready? 1, 2. Perfect. Awesome work, friends. We put 2 Venus planets in the box because Venus is the 2nd planet. Let's take a look at another planet. Ooh, this is Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet. So we're going to put 5 Jupiters in the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Awesome work, friends. You put 5 Jupiter planets in the box because Jupiter is the 5th planet. Okay, let's do another one. This is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet. It's the one that's furthest from the sun. We're going to put 8 Neptunes in the box. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Awesome. You put 8 Neptunes in the box because Neptune is the 8th planet. Okay, let's look at another planet in our solar system. This is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet in our solar system. It's the closest to the sun. So we're going to put one Mercury planet in the box. Can you count with me? 1. Excellent job, friends. You put one Mercury planet in the box because Mercury is the first planet. Okay, let's look at another planet. This is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet. So we're going to put 7 of them in the box. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent work! Uranus is the 7th planet, so we put 7 of them in the box. Great job! Okay, there is one more planet left in our solar system. Ready? Look, it's the planet Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Earth. It's our neighbor because we're number 3. Let's put 4 Mars planets in the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work! You put 4 Mars planets in the box because Mars is the 4th planet. Did you enjoy looking at all of the different planets in our solar system? They're all different sizes and they're different colors. They're all very unique. I enjoy looking at planets. I think they're really interesting. I especially like Saturn because of its rings. Well, that's it for Circle Time today. We learned that there are 8 planets in our solar system, and those planets orbit around the sun. Earth is the 3rd planet. We are the 3rd closest planet to the sun, and we are in the perfect spot so that we can have life. I hope you enjoyed today's activities. I'll see you tomorrow for Circle Time. Bye. Hi everyone, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos just like this one from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.